Maximizing your home's resale value. For homeowners with an eye on selling their property in the future, you might be curious about the best home renovations that can enhance your return on investment. I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Skye Realty Group, and I'm here to guide you through these valuable improvements. Let's explore the top 5 renovations with resale in mind. 1. Paint color. One of the most budget-friendly and effective ways to update your space is through paint. When selecting a color, neutrals are often the best choice as they have broad appeal. 2. Curb appeal. We all know that making a great first impression is crucial. Creating an inviting and visually appealing exterior is key. Consider updating your home's exterior with lighting, landscaping, and planting to elevate your curb appeal. Number 3. Ongoing maintenance. Home maintenance and repairs are essential to maintain your home's value. If you're not comfortable with handling repairs, consider hiring a professional. Proper maintenance not only enhances your living experience, but also increases your home's value when it's time to sell. Number 4, kitchens and bathrooms. While these areas can be costly to renovate, they are often the first spaces that potential buyers scrutinize. You don't need to spend a fortune. Simple updates like cabinet upgrades, new appliances, and fixtures can add value. Number 5, scents. Don't underestimate the power of a pleasant smelling home. Ensure your home passes the smell test by maintaining clean carpets, managing exterior odors, and keeping the space fresh. To gain a deeper understanding of how these improvements can benefit you in your local market, don't hesitate to reach out to my team and me. I'm Danielle Edney. I'm committed to helping you make LA home with a curated real estate experience. Give us a call and we'll guide you through the ever-changing real estate landscape.